On the day one of Dholavira, we have reached in the afternoon. By the time we have reached, the lunchtime was already gone. But then they have saved lunch for us. We had our home cooked lunch, and then we have checked into our room. This is the tent that we were staying. It is fully air conditioned room. It is so clean and perfect. All the other rooms, there were few huts also in this stay, and and this stay is purely pet friendly. And you'll get three times meals here: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Everything is covered. Maybe also because there are no other restaurants or any other hotels nearby. It's a very rural place. It's a very big village in Kutch, so obviously there will not be any other food options other than the stay. So it's better that you opt for all the three times meals wherever you're going to stay. But I will highly recommend this stay, because mostly when you are traveling with pet, there are no other pet friendly stays nearby. Even in the Rann you won't find any pet friendly stays. In the evening we have went to see the sunset on the road to heaven. We were lucky to spot so many flamingos and seagulls. They were all over the place. Since it's about to sunset, the place was superbly beautiful, with all the birds, the orange color in the river. It's a very it's a treat to watch. I took my camera with me, so I have also taken so many pictures. Uh, so that's all, maybe for the day one. So there is nothing much, because we have reached in the afternoon when we were also very tired. So we only took a rest for a few hours after lunch, and then we came here to watch the birds and the sunset. It felt so good to enjoy the slow evening.